Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going over the 30% off all Icon torque wrenches and breaker bars that's going on during the August parking lot sale. What we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you what's involved in this, all the different tools, and tell you the sales prices on it. Now this is going to be going on from August 10th to August 13th for Inside Track Club members. That's why it always pays to be Inside Track. Everyone else is going to be August 14th through the 16th. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we're going to start off with the torque wrenches here, and the first ones we got is the 1/2-inch drive 40 to 250 foot-pound professional split beam torque wrench here. Regular price on this one is $139.99. The sales price is going to be $97.99. Next up here we got the 1/2-inch drive 50 to 250 foot-pound professional click torque wrench. This one is normally $149.99. Sales price on it is going to be $104.99. Next up here we got the 3/8 drive 5 to 75 foot-pound professional flex head torque wrench. Regular price on this one is going to be $139.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $97.99. Then finishing off this row, we got the 3/8 drive 40 to 200 inch-pound professional compact click torque wrench. Normally $19.99. You can see it's on sale right now for $20 off at $99.99. But during the parking lot sale with $30 off, this is going to be $83.99. Starting off this row, we got the 1/2-inch drive 12.5 to 250 foot-pound professional flex head digital angle torque wrench. This one is $389.99, and this is where this sale comes in great, because with the 30% off on this one, you're looking at $272.99. Next up here, we got another big ticket item. We got a 3/8 drive 5 to 100 foot-pound professional flex head digital angle torque wrench. This one is going to be $359.99 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $251.99. Next up here, we have the 3/4 inch drive 100 to 600 foot-pound professional click torque wrench. This one is normally $419.99. There's going to be a very good sale on this one, because the sales price on this one is $293.99. Then finishing off this row, we got a 3/8 drive 20 to 100 foot-pound professional split beam torque wrench. This one is going to be $139.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $97.99. Starting off this row, we got the 3/8 inch drive 20 to 100 foot-pound professional click torque wrench. Normally $114.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $80.49. And finishing off this row, we got a 1/2-inch drive 50 to 250 foot-pound professional flex head click torque wrench. This one is going to be $159.99. Sales price on this one will be $111.99. Now let's check out the breaker bars. Starting off the breaker bars, we've got a 1/2-inch drive 25-inch professional breaker bar with the TPR grip. $39.99 is regular price on this. Sales price is going to be $27.99. Next up here, we got a 3/4 drive professional 36-inch breaker bar. This one's going to be $89.99 regular price. Your sales price on this one is going to be $62.99. Next up here, we have a 1/2-inch drive 25-inch professional breaker bar. $37.99. Your sales price on this one is going to be $26.59. Then finishing off this row, we got a 3/8 drive 13-inch breaker bar with the TPR grip on that one. We got $22.99 for the regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $16.09. And the last thing we got here is going to be a 1/2-inch drive 18-inch professional breaker bar. $29.99 is your regular price on this one. Your sales price is going to be $20.99. And there you have it. There is the 30% off all Icon torque wrenches and breaker bars that's going to be going on during the August parking lot sale at Harbor Freight. Now don't forget, Monday, August 10th through Thursday, August 13th is going to be ITC first choice. Always pays to be ITC. And then everyone else is going to be Friday, August 14th to Sunday, August 16th. A lot of good deals going on. If you need a torque wrench or a breaker bar, this is going to be a time to pick it up. Leave a comment down below. Is there anything you're going to be picking up in this sale? Is there anything that you're disappointed in the sale? Leave that comment down below. I love talking to you guys. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. It really helps the channel out and helps it grow. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.